Good morning students. Welcome to the class. In the previous class we completed the list. Okay. So today we will discuss about the table. How we create a table in HTML document. Okay. And how we store the data in that table. So let us discuss table. An HTML table is defined with the table tag. To define a table in a HTML document, the tag is table. Okay. Each table row is defined with tr tag. Tr means table row defined, and table header is defined with the th tag. And the th is your defined for the table header. Okay. By default, table headings are bold and centered. A table data or cell is defined with the td tag. That means here 4 tags are there. One is for table. Table tag is for create the table. Second one is your to create a row. To create the row we use the tr tag. Then we type the heading or we store the header, we use the th tag, and we store the data in a table, we use td tag. These 4 tags are used in to create the table in HTML document. Okay, let us take an example. Here table style equals to width. Style equals to width is your 100%. Okay, these things are also this style option are here. This one is your for css, according to your css concept also we will study after the HTML complete. Okay, so first here we open the first we say create the table tag, write the table tag, then we write tr tag. Okay, here we write tr, that means first row we create. After that in the first row is our heading row. Okay, so for this here we write th tag is open, then we write here first name, then th close, again th is open, then last name, then th is close, again we write the th, then h, then th is close. That means here 3 headings are there, means 3 columns are there. Okay, then we close this row. That means first row we create, and first row is partitioned in a 3 columns. Okay, then again we write here, that means we write here second row. Okay, then for this second row we write the value for this header. Okay, that means we write here tr open, then we write the td. Td means table data. Okay, the first we enter the first name, then td close, then we write td open, then we open the td, then we write the last name, then td close, then we write the we open the td, then we write the age, then td close. In this way we create a second row, then tr close, again we tr open. So in this manner we create a table, and we in the table we create a one row, we create a row one by one. Okay, so the td element are the data container of the table. They can contain all sorts of HTML elements, text, image, list, and other tables, etc. Okay, so here are the some tags and some attributes are there. For in the tag and attributes are used in which purpose, let us discuss. Table, it defines a table. Tr tag also we are discussed. Tr is used for a row in a table. Th, it defines the header cell in a table. Td is defines a cell in a table or store the data in a table. Then we use here one attribute is your caption. It defines the table caption. So how it write caption, then student table, then caption close. Then one attribute is your border. That means it define or specify the table border. Okay, how the table border is, how much. That means, for example, here we set border equals to 1. Then and again we write here another attribute is a cell padding. Cell padding represents the distance between the cell border and the content within the cell. That means here the cell border and the content within the cell, between the cell, this much distance is specified the cell padding. Okay. To use the cell padding, table attribute is cell padding equals to 5. In this way we use. Then cell spacing. Cell spacing attribute defines the space between the table cell. Okay. Call span. Call span attribute is used if you want to merge two or more column into a single column. Then we use call span. And row span also, if we merge two or more rows, then we use the row span. Okay. Then BG color. We set the BG color means background color for the whole table, and border color means we set the table border to a color. Okay. And background means we set the background image for whole table. Okay. Or just one cell also. So by default we set for whole table. Okay. So this attribute and these tags are also used in table. So how it is used, in which manner, let us discuss lab works one by one. In this lab work we use row span and call span. Okay. So first we write HTML, then head, then title, then head close, then body open, then all these things. So here we use right center, then that means all the tables are displayed in a center place of the screen. Okay. So here h1 tag, one heading is there, a program to illustrate the table tag using row span and call span. Okay. Then one horizontal ruler also we set there. Then we open the table tag. If we do not set all these attributes, only simply we open the also table tag. So here we set the attributes are, we use the attributes are. Here we set border equals to 5, that means the table border equals to 5, that means the thickness is 5. Then border color also we set there, border is blue color. And BG color, background color also set there is pink color, that means table border is blue color, background color is pink. Okay. And one caption also we add that this is a mark table, that means table name, which one is set here. Then we write, we create one row, which one is tier. First row is create, for this we write here tier. Then we here we write the header, table header. Okay. First heading is in name, second heading is mark. That's so for this we write here th. Then row span 2, and that means here the name row is expanded between two rows. Okay. The name, then ts close, then again we write call span 3, then mark. That means here we write expanded 3 columns. Okay. Then first row is create, then we close the tier tag. Again we write here tier, that means first row is name. Name means again the column which one is heading is expanded 3 columns, that means under the mark column we write, again we partition this cell is 3 columns, one is WD lab, FET lab, another one is project. So this one is your second row. After that we put the value, that means table data. First one is our name, then we write here John, then marks are there, WD lab marks, FED lab marks, project marks. So in this way we put all the values, we create a one row and put all the data here. So after that how it look like, let us run this program and show you. Okay. First we write a program to illustrate the table tag using row span and col span. Then one horizontal ruler is set here. So let us look how it look like this. The a program, this heading is display here. Then one horizontal ruler is also set here. After that what we write? After that we write here table border equals to 5, border color equal to blue, background color equal to pink. This one is also set there. Border color is equal to thickness is 5 and bag color also blue color and table background color is pink color. This must set here. Okay. Then we write here what? Caption. Caption means this only show you in your over the table. Okay. This one is marked table. This caption is shows here top of the table. Then we write here what? Tier first row create only name and marks. Here shows first row is your name and mark only, but first row is expanded with 2 rows. That means in the name is in the left side we see name is 1 row, but here under this name one mark is there and then mark the subject name also there, which mark is put here. Okay, so in this way one row is partitioned in between the 2 row, and again we write mark column is in the top of the table. Here it shows you 1 column. Okay, that means this mark is partitioned again 3 columns. One is WD, one is APT, one is project. Okay, so in this way this one is your according to name we partition this in a 2 row. That means this one is your row span, and according to column this one is expanded between 3 columns. So this one we set here column col span. Okay, after that we put the values one by one, TD then TR then TD. Okay, so in this way we create a table. Okay, so let us see another example. This one is your cell padding and for cell spacing. So here we write table border. This one is heading, all these things are there. Table border equals to 5, cell padding equals to 10, cell spacing equals to 5, background is a flower. That means here we set a background image. Okay, and here caption also we here put their salary table, name and salary. First row created, first heading is name, second heading is salary. Okay, then we put the name and salary. So let us run this and how it look like this. Okay, this one our salary table. First heading is also there. We write here a program to illustrate the table using cell padding and cell spacing. This one is here. Okay, then one horizontal ruler also is set there, HR. Then table border equal to 5, cell padding 10, cell spacing 5, background color image. This much here we set there. Okay, so let us cell padding and cell spacing. That means here the table, the cells in between the cells, this space are there, and cell spacing means in the table border and the cell in between also space there. Okay, this one is your cell padding and cell spacing option. You students are also use one by one attribute and see the effect. Okay, how it will looks like. Okay, so in this way we run this lab work. So this one is your table concept. All of you write down in your record copy and do the all the lab work in your computer also, and create and maintain your record copy neat and clean and completely. Okay, so thank you in this class.